Remarkable Four Seasons home situated on an interior lake with a peaceful setting and wonderful views. Take advantage of lake life with an easy walk down to a wonderful fishing lake. Homeowners are meticulous and this home shows well. Great floor plan with 3 bedrooms, a living area and kitchen upstairs as well as 2 bedrooms, a family room and another kitchen downstairs. The entire lower level was finished in 2019 and is spectacular. Custom cabinets, quartz tops, beautiful backsplash, and perfectly accentuating lights. Huge storage that could be used as a workshop and also offers potential for a 6th bedroom. Several great features including a very tidy garage, nice flooring throughout including limestone on the main level, a new HVAC system, built-in cabinets in the laundry, a large master bedroom, great decks facing the lake, and many details and moldings in the